Pour moun qui kon ap di teacher, highway, dawon, old dog, m'vin pote ti correction pour nous. C'est pas teacher, c'est teacher. Teacher. Par exemple, he is a science teacher. Li se yon professeur science. Yo pa di dawon. Yo di down. Oh, get down from there. Get down from there. Get down from there. Yo pa di old dog. Yo di hot dog. A hot dog. Par exemple, he loves eating hot dog. Li reme manje hot dog. Hot dog pa vle di chien chaud. Li toujou ete hot dog en créole. Li pa tradwi. Yo pa di highway. Yo di highway. Highway. Par exemple, I am driving on the highway. Map kondwi sou gran route lan. Gen lot toujou, map vini avek yo pou nou. So kounya guys, nou konen pou n'pa prononse mo yo konsa anko. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.